What's up guys, Tyron20 here and welcome back to another gardening with Ty video. I have an update on my banana plant. A big one, no pun intended. Boom. This is update number 5, and if y'all seen the previous update video, you will see how small it was. I think it was probably up to this high, since it's slowly started growing back after the winter. And now this thing has spiked in height. I recently trimmed the leaves right here. This is a new trim. Right here, this is a new trim. There it is, 1, 2. What I do is I let it grow 3 leaves at a time. So 1, 2, 3. And then when it grows another leaf, making it 4, I cut the oldest leaf off. So it's always 3, 3, 3. So it has enough sunlight, going to the leaves to help it grow. Plus it makes it look nice. Why would you grow a banana plant with just one leaf? It looks ugly. So this is a new leaf. So when this one grows out, this is the newest leaf for this one. This is the new leaf for this one. So once the leaf grow out, then I'm gonna cut probably this one right here. This is the mother tree right here in the middle. Then it grew this one, which is significantly bigger than this one. And this is the mom. I don't know what happened, but the math ain't mathing. But yeah, I need to remove one of the pups. Well, it's his own plant now, but I need to remove all 3 of them. So I need to find a new home for these 3, so all the nutrients could go 100% into the mother plant. But at this point, I might just keep this one because it's so big and healthy. But I don't know yet. I'll see. But yeah. So yeah. The gardener, the people who cuts our grass, they weed whacked the edge of my banana plant here, and he cut into it, and it was leaning, but it healed. It literally, right here, if you can tell, but it literally healed itself, and it's growing straight again. So it's like invincible. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, due to these leaves, this plant is officially taller than me. And it's red up. Takes about 14 months for the banana plant to mature enough to bear fruit. So if it's this big in 2 months from my last update, it'll definitely be as big or bigger than the house. So yeah, but so far everything's going good. It's going fast. Every other day, every 2 to 3 days, there's a new leaf. Right here, right there, and this one just opened up these a couple of days ago, so I'm expecting a new leaf coming very, very soon. But yeah, this is my banana plant. Beautiful. I love it. Again, I need to find a new home for the other plants soon, but you gotta buy the supplies and find a location for it, and yeah, but for now it's doing good. A quick little update on my sugarcane plant. Whenever I planted it, for some odd reason I didn't really water it. Shame on me, but I didn't really water it. So these are the old leaves that dried out from the sun because it was really hot. But I watered it and everything, and these are the new leaves that were hiding, and it's growing. I need to find a place to plant it in the ground, but probably buy the banana plant really, but I don't know yet. I'll see. This was a part of a Christmas plant last year, 2 years ago. It was a runt as well as this one. There was another one similar to that, but that one passed away. And it also had a Christmas plant. But I planted it in here, and it is going crazy with all the runners and everything. It's going crazy. So here's my spreader plant. Here's the other plant. It's doing pretty good since I repotted it. Sugar cane and yeah, a hot mess of elephant ears. I kind of want to get rid of them. They were here for many years. I had one here, but this is probably the original one here, and I had one there. And I think this one died, this one stayed, and now it's just breeding so many. So, yeah. So that's all my elephant ears. I don't feel like going in the house. This is my room. Over here, I found this outside of parking lot at a Sam's Club. Um, and I picked it up, put it in water, and it is rooting and it is growing. Here's another pineapple plant that is actually growing this time. And I have tried it in water, which is slowly growing, but I'm going to transplant it into another pot very soon. And my single-leafed orchid that's still alive. And yeah, I just want to do a quick update before I head on. Maybe I have another one in the next 2 months to 3 months and update you on everything. But yeah, here it is. Well, thank you all for watching this. Oh yes, I have not used fertilizer. This is growing this fast by itself. I still have the brand new bag of fertilizer in my closet and it's just sitting there collecting dust. This is growing healthily. Probably whenever in the 14 months when it starts to grow its fruit, then I'll use it. Other than that, it's doing its thing. I'm not messing with it. So yeah. But thank you all for watching my update on my plans on gardening with Ty, and I will see you all in the next update. Ty 120 out. Peace.